Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You've connected the Xbox controller. Now act. Open Settings from Start, then choose Devices and go straight to Bluetooth and Devices. Once there, make sure the controller appears under Paired or Connected Devices. If it's showing as multiple input devices or a virtual keyboard, pause and note the device name. You're starting the process to remove keyboard mapping, so don't run other apps that capture controller input. Leave settings open so you can apply the next steps without losing focus. You're now in Device Manager, which controls drivers. Expand keyboards and human interface devices because Windows sometimes exposes controllers as HID keyboard devices. Once identified, right-click the suspect entry, often named Xbox or HID-compliant device, and choose Disable Device. If that isn't available, uninstall the device. Make sure to confirm prompts and avoid removing core keyboard if you're using one. Once done, restart the PC only if Windows asks. Otherwise, proceed to check that the controller no longer sends keyboard input to apps. You should verify results by opening Notepad and pressing controller buttons. There should be no typed characters. If you still see keyboard input, reinstall the Xbox Accessories app and check Windows Update for driver updates, because outdated drivers can recreate virtual keyboard mappings. Once done, disconnect and reconnect the controller, and try another USB port or Bluetooth adapter to isolate hardware quirks. If problems persist, use Device Manager to roll back drivers or boot to safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.